USPs of our PCB assembly service. Hey, I'm Afsana and I'm glad to know that you want to know more about our PCB assembly service. Our PCB assembly services are accommodative to your requirements and adaptive to your needs. We can source components for you, assemble the components you have, or take a midway approach and use the components you possess while sourcing the others. On top of this, we have no minimum order quantity. We begin our process by providing a free design for manufacturability test to your design. We promise flexibility in assembly types, soldering types, stencils, components, packages, and board types. This way we ensure that we can deliver it in the conditions befitting your purpose once we have accepted your order. Our process is optimized for delivery. This allows us to start deliveries as early as 3 days from the day your order is accepted. To know more about how you can avail of our PCB assembly service, please get in touch with our team by visiting the Contact Us page on pcbpower.com.